Greetings from Amazon. Are you fascinated by the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning? Do you dream of building innovative solutions that impact millions? If so, then get ready for an incredible opportunity. Amazon invites you to participate in the Amazon ML Summer School 2024, your gateway to the exciting world of AI and ML. This is not just another summer program. This is your chance to learn from the best in the industry, gain practical experience, and kickstart your career in one of the most sought-after fields. Whether you're an aspiring data scientist, a budding ML engineer, or simply passionate about AI, Amazon ML Summer School 2024 is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills to succeed. Imagine diving deep into the latest ML algorithms, working alongside brilliant minds at Amazon, and building cutting-edge AI applications. This summer, turn your imagination into reality with Amazon ML Summer School 2024. This is your chance to be at the forefront of the AI revolution. This program is your launchpad to a fulfilling career in AI and ML. Don't just dream about the future of technology, be a part of building it. Ready to embark on this exciting journey with Amazon ML Summer School 2024? Here's what you need to know about the application process. First, check your eligibility. Amazon welcomes applications from passionate engineering students in India, currently pursuing their bachelor's or master's degrees in computer science, data science, or related fields. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills are a plus. Second, mark the key dates. The application window for Amazon ML Summer School 2024 opens on the 31st of May 2024. Stay tuned to the official website and our social media channels for updates. Don't miss the deadline. Finally, understand the program structure. The program will include several weeks of intensive online training, followed by opportunities for hands-on projects and mentorship. You'll benefit from a flexible schedule while gaining valuable skills and knowledge. Don't wait. Prepare your application and get ready to take your first step towards a rewarding career in AI and ML. Don't miss out. Your future in AI starts today. The world of AI and ML is brimming with opportunities, and Amazon ML Summer School 2024 is your key to unlocking them. This is your chance to gain a competitive edge in the job market. Learn from world-renowned experts in AI ML. Build cutting-edge AI applications. Network with industry professionals. Position yourself for a rewarding career in AI and ML. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to be a part of the AI revolution. Mark your calendars, prepare your applications, and get ready to embark on an exciting journey with Amazon ML Summer School 2024. Your future in AI starts today. About Amazon Science. Amazon Science gives you insight into the company's approach to science, research, and innovation. We believe that scientific innovation is essential to being the most customer-centric company in the world. It's at the heart of everything we do. Our scientists and engineers across Amazon are working on a wide range of innovations from sustainability to customer experience. We are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible to invent on behalf of our customers. Visit Amazon Science to learn more. All the links are in the description. Please do check it out. If you found this content useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Keep posting comments if you want anything from our side and support our channel.